Hey everyone, Jody from Burdock Off-Road Adventures. Join us today as we take a quick road trip down to Tucson, Arizona to visit our friends at ADS Suspension. Stay tuned. Our recent trip to Crown King, Backway to Crown King, we had multiple carnage. Not only did we break our passenger side CV axle from our CV, we also had a huge issue with our rear shocks. The rad flows have served us pretty well. We've had them for about a year and a half. Honest to God, I hadn't had any complaints out of them, but for whatever reason, the rear shocks, the fittings came loose and leaked out a bunch of fluid. So we found ourselves having to consider either doing a rebuilding or just buying a new set. We kind of always been thinking that we would upgrade at some point to either ADS or rock crawler. So we took a quick trip down to Tucson and had the ADS ones put on, and all I can say is they work pretty well. This is pretty cool. Just you ever wonder what the inside of your shocks look like. Alright, so they're on. Back here at home, had them for a couple of weeks. Really like them. They're pretty nice. See there, the ADS. Made in the USA, boys and girls. Yeah. Plenty of clearance for tie rods and everything. Up here, we have our... Only bad thing is that's a little hard to get to. But other than that, works dandy. Alright, here's from the back side on the passenger side. Alright, so that was the passenger side. Here's the driver's side, as you guys can see. Let the wheel turn so we can see a little bit better. Still kept the upper control arms that we had before. Now, they just released, ADS just released some tubular upper control arms. So if we ever get ready to replace these things, we might just go that route. But there again, you have your shock or your adjusters down here for your compression. Buried up in there pretty tight, so you're not going to hit that with a rock. Alright, so here's the rear and the driver's side. You'll notice we did clearance some of this. Now we got some DV8 fender liners we haven't put in yet, so we'll have to clearance them too most likely. Had to clear them on some a lot more if we didn't have this body lift. You can see this big gap right here. It's 2-inch body lift, so if it wasn't for that, we'd probably have to clearance them a lot more than what they already are. So that's something to be mindful of. You can see how they mount them right here. Also, see here, this is pretty interesting. It's almost like a top hat looking thing, which is pretty cool. I don't know if that allows more up travel or not. So, yeah, pretty neat setup here. I don't know if you can really see it or not in there, but you can see kind of the bump stop. It does have a bump stop like most of them do. Alright, here's a passenger side rear from the back. See from here. And one of the good things about the reservoir being mounted over here as opposed to back here where the rad flows were, back here they would not be compatible with our Rock Jock anti-rock rear sway bar that we're about to throw on here. So we were going to move those other ones anyway. So there again over here, we clearanced it just so we can get our hand in there and turn this thing, because otherwise it'd be almost impossible. So yeah, like I said, you know, a little top piece right there. It's pretty neat. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy. Can't wait to try these bad boys out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're excited to see how these things work out. We don't have a chance to take them out just yet, but if you want to see how we like them, keep watching the channel. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that alert button if you don't want to miss anything. I'm sure you're going to see plenty of footage of them in use very soon. So anyway, hope you guys have a good day. Thank you so much.